So our today's topic is India's longest things. So are you ready?
Yes,
Okay, start. India's longest river.
India's longest river, Ganga River.
Yes. India's longest highway.
India's longest highway হচ্ছে ন্যাশনাল হাইওয়ে 44.
Yes. India's longest platform.
India's longest platform, Gorakhpur platform.
Yes, Gorakhpur railway station.
Okay.
India's longest earthen dam.
Hirakkund Dam, which is situated in Odisha.
Right. India's longest urban beach.
India's longest urban beach, Marina Beach.
Yes. India's longest river bridge.
India's longest river bridge হচ্ছে ভূপেন হাজারিকা ব্রিজ.
Yes. World's longest highway tunnel at high altitude.
Atul Tunnel.
Yes.
Atal Tunnel.
Yes. Longest glacier in the Karakoram.
Longest glacier in the Karakoram.